Now, rumors are circulating that Macka Diamond nudes have been leaked. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't confirm the woman that's in the video is Macka Diamond. I'm not sure if it's her, but if it is, she have a good body. You see me, I say, yes, me not lie to you people. The woman that's in the video that people say is Macka Diamond, um, the body is nice, man. I gonna lie to you. You feel? Why? If it is Macka, big up yourself. You know what I mean? But the rumors were circulating. For an hour now. The videos are out there. I don't have to post them because, like I said, the videos them is out there already. And if you seen the video, put in the comment section. What do you think about it? I'm not sure how these videos got out. If it's her indeed. But she definitely looks good. You see me? It was just the other day that the angel said that Macka Diamond did a body surgery and all of this stuff and things. And said, they were on the same rhythm, clashing, which we haven't seen in a long time. You feel what I'm saying? So it's definitely a good look. Boy. People putting out a comment section. What you think about this clash with the angel and Macka Diamond? Macka Diamond says she's not jealous of the angel body, and she said some words in this track, Dream Body. As you know, the angel is on the same rhythm, and she's calling herself goddess because them jealous of her body. Anyway, people, just giving that update that if Macka does confirm it's her in the video, I will be sure to let you know. But I'm just letting you know there's video circulating with a woman that looks like Macka Diamond in the video, and she definitely have the upper body. You see me? I say, yeah, let's proceed. Now, Dancehall King Beenie Man is talking to his fans about domestic violence and child support. Basically, he might tell the people them to take care of the youth. And he's telling men, do not hit women. Call the police on them. You see me, I say. And a lot of people is saying, Beenie Man has grown since his younger days. Because, an old dog like him have to add him in a tools and tree. I know, boy, people. Let's just listen to what he has to say, and then we'll proceed. Because we know and have an image of old dog like Beenie Man already, So to hear these things from him, people are look at him like, but it's a good message still.
Hey. Oh, listen, I'm from London, your friends.
Yeah.
He kills it.
Yeah. Respect, man. That's
serious.
Rasta.
There's nothing cooler than you. Nothing cooler.
Never.
Make sure he knows this.
Yeah, they know that.
Nothing cooler. Nothing cooler.
Blessings. You hear this?
He's fridge. He's
yeah.
fridge.
There we go. Keep the music live. Keep the music live. And everybody starts striving. So I just want to tell you, yeah. That's it tomorrow. I'm there our next place. I'm not really there Jamaica, but yeah, just want to know that still. What the hype up. Hello mate, how are you? Yeah. Let's see our next place. Tomorrow. I'm gonna stop it. Love that. I just want to know still. So if anybody try to invite me out on party tonight, now till Friday for my daughter, what you call it? Father and dancing party. Yeah, I put it on my site and see it because my daughter got dance Friday. Yeah, the youngest. Yeah. So any father wanna dance with them daughter, father and daughters. Party off, you are not a father. And the father when them daughter birthday, I keep it, I buy the cake, I keep them daughter birthday, you're not father. And the father we out there when I keep them son birthday and them daughter birthday. But see my baby mother them come up with some things in it. Me angel say, me not mind Macka Dean for 50 years. Boy. Have a laugh. They'll tell you about my laugh. It's funny. Zine. Because fathers there come up, so every father have to be a father. If you're a girl, then be a girl. Do not say nothing about these things. Yeah. Me, na mine, Macka Diamond for 15 years. 14th birthday I keep. Everybody know at Jamaica say you never keep the first birthday yet. Yeah. One time I tell Colleen to pay the half a bill and my daughter graduated. She thanked the bush in the yard and her pet puppy and everything else before giving me a thanks. But as a father, you know you don't war with the mother. You know that. Because you never win. You always lose. So it doesn't make sense you come out and say, oh my God! Yeah, no. You're going to lose. Leave her. Makes you vent. Yeah. That's why my relationship lasts long. Because my woman and man always win. Yeah. The only sense in a relationship, if a man boxes that means she want to fight. So if a box her back and make sure she's in a fight, then stop. You have to stop her this. See? Because people in her ears. So you have to make sure you have to stop, but not box down and kick down and beat up. She have to definitely attack you, but you have to just stop her. Stop her. And that's it. As a man, you have to know how to deal with your woman. If you don't love your woman, then she know that. Not tell her say you love her if you don't love her, bitch. It's very simple. Yeah. She love you. Yeah, she love you. Find a way of to make a compromise. Your life. Because she love you. And if you can't compromise your life, you tell her say you don't love her. But don't try to have a 5-year relationship, 6-year relationship and you still feel the same way. It don't make no sense. You see, I'm the girls I'm sugar, if you notice, this me I talk about tonight. You know? I don't want nobody on my line, I not talk to nobody. I not talk to no girl we have 6-month relationship where I say, yeah, she feels that the boy have the right cocky and right, I'm not dep on that. And the right heart and the right love and the right respect and the right honor for the woman. This is my thing. Yeah, some girl come and talk about, oh, the boy cocky big and they make me skirt. Yeah, if you used to sell pussy, that's your business. Good woman need a good man. No care where I carry, no care where I have. You just need to have a good heart and a good soul. A prostitute will fall in love with a man like that. A woman no man will fall in love with a man like that. No good man is easy to find. Good cock is hard to find. But if you find a good cock, just make sure that good cock they love you. It's the problem. Just don't make him be a man where out there every minute. Ray. And yeah, you have some of them man there say, oh, I buck 3 hours last night, I'm deal with them wicked. I'm about 4 hours last night, I'm deal with them wicked. This is not life. This is how AIDS spread. I know unwanted picnic over the world, and yeah, this is what I'm saying. It's all about you respecting your partner and your partner respecting you. I don't know that word until I meet one girl from England. I don't even know what partner mean. I know about man and woman. I'm a woman that, and me and a man. Yeah. My girl tell me about partner, you are my partner. Yeah. But when they come and you think about it, they are your partners. So all I girl may agree with the pum pum. All man may agree with the cocky. Stop calling your woman babe because you call her next woman babes, and then you're gonna make a mistake and call her Sandra. And that's how the fight goes start. That's it. If you're the girl them man, be the girl them man. Be the man for the girl them. The girls them sugar mean that your woman will always love you. So regardless of what your woman talk about you or what she say about you, your daughter where you left with her, I will always love you. That means you are a great father. And you never do nothing wrong more than take care of your people. Oh, my son. This life now go for long, you know. I'm there care man and I have too much thing up on my phone, but yeah. Me have forward that morning, so anything you have to say me see. But hear me I say, anything you hear them say about me. Me are the best baby father in a Jamaica. Yeah. And I'm picking them now for it now suffer. Me are the best just yeah, we listening now. Me not make dress, me not make shoes, me not make pants. And music me make. So when baby make, no fret. There. Yeah. You shot 30-year-old, you know, if you never know. So, you know where I'm going. They're 50s, yeah. That's the lowest thing. Yeah. Rattigan. Oh, yes, sir. So all the people that know these things, they have to know life. And life is the only thing that we need to be dependent. It's not nothing else. It's just life. Just love and respect. The other day, I never did a Bounty Killer birthday. Why? It's not because Bounty Killer never invite me. Because the, what do you call them now? The influence behind him and the entity behind him will build the whole thing. They want to try to disrespect me. I mean, I disrespect them. You see? And it's not a good thing. But Bounty Killer, I'm a Dan. And I'm my DJ. I'm just want to know it's a year, month this. Next month a Butcher month. And the other month a my month. So my Earth Strong start from the 1st of August. We're going to see what one. We're going to see more. Blessings, Rastafari. Praises, I King Celestia. Big up Butcher Banter. Big up Bounty Killer. And big up myself. All of us born 1972. June, July and August. If we don't get that, then we don't see why we It's not a long life. It's not a musical life. I came and I like with it. Okay, hear the music. Alright, I'm show you my chef them. And I ramp with me like and I take me for that. Well, I'm there. Book, bada bidi bap, bada book, bada bidi bada book. Okay. Views. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Chef, I make a sushi box. Tell them where I make.
Live?
Yeah, live, isn't it?
Facebook or Instagram?
Beenie Man. Live. Tell them where I make. They must know. You can't just see it now, tell them. Come on, chef, do that. You can't take off your mask.
What? Can you practice? Yeah, you can.
Tell them what you make now, chef.
What I have to say?
Just say what you make, what you just make.
I'm making a vista roll.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very famous vista roll. Shrimp tempura and
Sushi.
How many people watching?
Where you talk about?
So many?
Look.
Wow.
Where are you? People, what? Alright. There's actually 2 people I watch.
No, it's not. Hundreds of them.
Yeah. See, there we go. They chef them there. Bless it. People know what I want. So I'm going to collect my sushi and thing. So what? You fight against me. So she have to eat. So she have to eat. So she have to eat. Yeah. Me never is about who I eat poo. Me never is about who I eat bat, boo. So she have to eat. So she have to eat. Yeah. Do that. Yeah. So she have to eat. Salmon. So she have to eat. So I think Japanese, Chinese, you know, it's about who are Blackanese. Bad man there, you know, with the space, yeah, a breast man squeeze. And the girl them there for the teas, bad man there, you know, me know in a pies, yeah, everything trees, yeah, bad man there eat cheese, yeah, everything gets squeezed, yeah, girl them fat and tight, alright, the life is, okay, the life is, I love it. Respect to everybody who check in. Bad man there now with a Becky. Not song there sing with a Becky. But I just want to tell you, say, but they are Grand K, man. They are real Jamaican. But they know not say man a bad man. Okay? Real bad man. Shouldn't they so with my phone and video everything and a video diversion. Them know that I'm a real madman. If I'm trying to tap my phone, man, a real champion. Me got my glasses, me got my fan, me got my poses, me got my fan. Me will drive through yesterday in the front door. Everybody knows that me a bad man. No gun can fire in the land. Yeah, it's a Grand K, man. Yeah. Remember what happened to Butcher Bantan? Yeah, it's a Grand K, man. No gunshot can fly in the land. It's a Grand K, man. So you have to be bad, physical, to be strong, spiritual. Why no say you can't be this bad man? Never come a K man take a man, girl. The man they will kill in the chat. Everywhere we go, you know we are general. Bad man there, we are foundation. Everybody on the live. We know we have only one. Which part we there? Grand K, man. Grand K, man. Grand K. Which part we there? Okay. So Friday I have a dancer with me and my dancer. I just want to say, oh brother. So I dance with my daughter, see? She a 3-year-old. She named Zia Bear, my princess, you see? So Friday around her school, me and her have a dance off, big competition. Just want to know still. So she practice her dancing from early out. You see? Me have my one name from Shirley out. Let me tell you how my daughter stay now. When she hear the music, she start dance. You have to move to fear beat. And when you start move to your beat, she start move to your beat. So you go. Madness. So, it's a breeze out. So you have to ease out and make the girl and pum breeze out. So it's a breeze out. You see? There's not really nothing. That's why I'm the life make you know so I have to do something. Yeah. I apologize for the bounty killer party. I beg so many never did it. Yo, my lord, I tell you. Seriously. I'm not there because of personal business. Yeah. I don't take disrespect. I don't know if I do with it. I can't put it in my pocket. I can't wrap it up and put it in my bag. Manager from, yeah, you know. Come out and say, I'm telling you, this is where I come from. When we go up on the show, them tell us, say, Be Mobile was the person we have. Do the thing. And I reach our show, nobody never tell me that Digicel was the person. Take it over. Nobody never tell me that. Sharon Burke is a hypocrite. I'm here to for it. I tell you the honest truth. He's a hypocrite, he's a straight hypocrite.
Big up yourself, Beenie Man. You see me, people don't forget to comment on the Macka Diamond situation. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.